안녕하세요, 여러분. JungAh here. Today, I'll be answering the question, how do I say and you in Korean? You can say 너는 for saying and you in casual speech. For example, 나는 TV 보고 있어. 너는, which means I'm watching TV, and you can say this to a friend or someone younger than you who you have a close relationship with. In polite speech, you can say the person's name or title with the particle 은 or 는, and then add 요 at the end. For example, 저는 TV 보고 있어요. 할머니는요? Which means I'm watching TV, and you to your grandmother. I hope this was helpful. You can find more resources on Korean language and culture at 90daykorean.com. Bye for now!